Hello everybody, this is Anthony Fuller. I'm going to be talking to you today about the Jayco 28 BHS. It's a bunkhouse model. Has the big tank on the front, the propane tanks, and it also has a power tongue jack. Follow me. One of the things I noticed that you'll like that it has individual power stabilizer jacks. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Alright, one of the other things people gonna like is it has this outside kitchen, got 2 burners, a nice sink, and a refrigerator. Keep all the kids' snacks. Come on inside. Okay. So first things you're gonna see is that it has double bunks. Nice big bunks that hold about 250 pounds. So you can get a grown person or a couple kids up in both of these. Also has storage under the bed. It's a pretty long one too, so you can put, long items like fishing poles or stuff like that in there. Right here has a pretty big bathroom. Nice walk-in glass shower. Then as you move over here, you'll notice that it still has a lot of cabinet space and LED lights all the way around. This here is a trifold bed. Okay. And then if you come over here, you have this big dinette, which everyone loves, folds into a bed. You can get the whole family over there. And you have these nightshades too that I really love. Okay, and then if you come on this side, you have a back door. If you look over here, you have a spot for charging your cell phones and a plug-in, and you have a nice long nightstand right here, so you can put your CPAP machines, or you can put your computers, charge your phone, or anything. And I love the glass right here. And you have really deep cabinets up here, and you have hanging closets. And this comes with the Simmons bed, so it's real comfortable. And if you look over here, you have a lot of counter space. People love having a place to put stuff. Got a nice window, and you have, of course, more storage and a microwave, 3 burners, and an oven, gas oven. And then check this out. Yep, you can pull that down. It's pretty cool. Then also, of course, you have a refrigerator. Nor a cold fridge and freezer. Look how deep that freezer is. You can get a tub of ice cream in there. And then my favorite part is pretty flush. I like how they're making them flush. It comes with the Furion entertainment system, the TV, and you got your Bluetooth stereo that will operate the speakers inside and outside. And then you have big storage here. They used to come really small. We could put DVDs in them, but we don't really have DVDs anymore. So they're actually creating a lot of space right here for you. So this trailer right here, folks, is one of my favorite trailers because you can get a lot of people in here. Very lightweight, and it's a great quality. So if you have any questions about the Jayco 28 BHS, feel free to give me a call. Anthony Fuller, 541-653-2818. Thank you.